Good morning. Welcome to Get Ready with me. My name is Jennifer Woolsey, and I'm a top leader with AVON and this morning. So say hello whenever you hop on. Leave me a comment if you're watching on YouTube. If you're not seeing a red live button, then you're catching a replay. So hashtag replay so that we know that you joined. Share with your friends, share with your family. Let them know, hey, this is Jennifer. She does makeup. Maybe I'll teach them a tip or something that may help them be more successful in their makeup routine. So let's get ready. So I've already done my morning skincare regimen. Of course, I'm doing my dual elixir as a treatment to help get the wrinkles and the dark spots all gone. Like, see you later. And my Skin Invincible Day Cream with SPF 50 to give my skin the moisture that it needs and the plump that it needs, because it's winter-ish and it's dry already. And my new Hydro Fusion Deep Huffing Eye Serum to get rid of these because fatigue has set in. So how do you get rid of fatigue? How do you say goodbye to fatigue? I'm going to go in with my Magic's primer. Just takes a little squirt, and I'm going to prime my face for the day. It just takes a little bit, and it goes a long way. Okay, here we go. We are primed and ready to go for the day. Yay! So, okay. So this primer is pore minimizing. It is going to be a reduction of oil, and it's going to help set your makeup for like 12 hours. So seeing a huge difference in the longevity that my makeup is staying with me, which is a huge plus. And the new makeup's helping because it's so great, and it's got such great properties for my skin in it. And it's moisturizing my skin. It's making it feel so much more soft, and that's awesome. Now I am warming up my Magic's wand, which I'm using as a concealer. It can also be used as a foundation stick and as a I'm doing a downward triangle here. It can be used as the foundation stick, contour stick. If you are into those things, go girl. You do it. Okay, so we're going to let that set for just a minute and just warm up on my skin. So now I'm going to use my Ink Lasting Cushion Foundation. I am using the shade Neutral Light. So I'm just going to pop this open and take my Ruby Cell Puff, pick up some makeup, and stamp on my face. And then I'm going to begin to pat it in. One push of the cushion picks up this much makeup, and it helps me to spread it out on my face. And that's how simple the new cushion is. It's so awesome. Yay! You can already see a difference in my skin. So, fatigue. As a mom of two boys, a working mom of two boys, I'm telling you, this time change has kicked my honey. So, I've been working on ways to help fight the fatigue. One of the big things I'm noticing is like at 2 o'clock in the afternoon, I'm like ready for a nap. Like, I work from home, so my bed is just a few feet away from my office. It's like the battle to not go there. How do we do that? How do I not take a nap? Well, I've decided that instead of filling myself with junk, which I tend to do at 2 o'clock in the afternoon, I'm going to fill myself with water. So yesterday, when just patting. Yesterday, whenever the urge to go fix some junk or snack at 2 o'clock came in, I instead grabbed a bottle of water and I decided, you're going to chug this water. You're going to chug this water because your body needs more hydration and because you do not need junk. You don't need junk. It's just going to make you more tired and it's just going to make the fatigue worse. And so that was my thoughts and it worked. So water, water, water. Hydrate your mind, hydrate your body, and stay away from those pesky Pop-Tart snacks that I bought for my children that are in my cupboard pantry. Oh my gosh, they're so good. And I want them so bad. So I've got to find a way to beat that. And water did it for me yesterday. Another thing that I was trying to be more cautious of is to go to bed at a normal, decent hour. Like, I've been known to stay up super late at night and maybe work or play on Facebook or all the things that are not really healthy for your mind when you're trying to go to sleep. I just did something there. I'm not sure. Maybe we can do it on this side too. A little bit. There we go. Yay! So when you're going to bed, say even if you go to bed at like 9 o'clock and you're laying there playing on social media, your mind isn't resting. So I'm bad about laying in my bed at like 9:30 or 10 and being like, okay, I'm just going to lay here and scroll Facebook for a little bit. I'll turn on the TV, see what's on. And so then your mind is like busy all over again. You're reading stuff, you're watching TV, and so your mind is just going for it. Instead, if I would go to sleep or go to bed at 9:30 or 10, turn off the social media, move the phone away from my bed, and turn the television off, then my mind would rest. And so last night, I tried this. And this morning, I woke up a whole lot, feeling a whole lot more refreshed than I have been the past few mornings. That's loose powder. I just went over the face with some loose powder, used my powder brush, and I just blended. So technology is another thing that kind of keeps your mind going. It keeps it busy. And so then you're not getting the rest that you need, because I'm sure I'm not the only one that I'm using. Let me show y'all. This is the Time to Shine palette and still available on your avon.com/jwoolsey. It has 3 palettes. One of them has 2 blushes and 2 highlighters. And I'm going to pick up those highlighters and I'm just going to use them right there to minimize those chubby cheeks. Gotta drink more water for that. Putting a little bit up here. Okay, so we're just contouring a little bit with those highlighters, and then we'll go back and pick up some blush in a minute. So for my eye makeup today, I'm going to use, let's see, got some color choices in here. I'm going to use the Positive Vibes Only with the Neutrals palette. With my eyeshadow brush, I'm going to pick up this lighter color here and cover the entire lid of my eye. Here we go. So if you will turn the technology off, like if you say, okay, I'm going to bed, it's 9:30, 10 o'clock, even 11 o'clock, turn the technology off. The television, the phone, the iPad, whatever. Maybe read a book. Maybe read a book for those few minutes before you fall asleep. Okay, we're going to pick up this neutral shade here. And we're going to work the crease of the eye. I'm just going to start on the outside and I'm bringing that in. Show you guys what I'm doing. And I did change brushes to an eyeshadow brush. Then your brain will have time to kind of relax and shut down. And then you will rest better, which will help you to wake up the next morning. And it did. It worked for me today. I'm not feeling quite as fatigued as I normally do in the mornings. which is a huge plus because I have 2 kids and a whole business to run. So now I'm picking up this darker shade right in here, and I'm blending, blend, putting the bottom of the lid, and I'm blending it into the crease. I have a little bit of fallout here, so we're going to dust that away. I'm going to take my powder brush. I didn't tap my brush. Tap, tap, tap. Now we're going to do the other side, starting at the bottom of that lid, and we're going to work it into that crease and just blend, blend, blend. And I use a darker shade to do this because, and see, it doesn't fall out on that side because I tapped. Don't forget to tap your brush. Okay, I'm going to pull this lighter color down just a little bit, and there we go. Give it a little sparkle in the crease of my eye. What do you think? All right, let's do some, scoot all the things over. I'm going to get closer so you guys can see this. Super Extend Precision Liquid Liner. So I've always been afraid of liquid liners, but I've been using this for about a week now, and I'm loving the effects. It goes on so smoothly, you guys. It just is like painting. There we go. Just like painting on the eye palette. Okay. Now we're going to go underneath. I have to use my mirror for this. On the waterline. Okay. There we go. There we go. So I'd love to see in the comments, what are your tips for fighting fatigue? What are you doing to have a healthier night's rest? What are you doing better for your body during the day? Are you drinking more water? Are you exercising is another good thing. If you will move your body 30 minutes a day, then you will find that your body is regenerating, and it will help with your energy level all through the day. And I mean, I don't think it has to be like you're running a marathon. Maybe you're just walking around your house for 30 minutes, or walk the local track for 30 minutes, or walk the Walmart, or walk the mall somewhere, walk for 30 minutes and move your body. Oh, I should tell you what I'm using. Love Mascara. It has a vitamin E oil in it. It has these little heart-shaped fibers that hug your lashes and extends them, makes them pop. It makes them thicker and fuller and oh so pretty. You see that? I'm going to do the bottom here. Okay, so one eye's done, one eye's not. What do you think? It makes a difference. I'm loving this mascara. There's no fallout from it. There is no lasting things that are like falling into your eye. It seals to your lashes. Feels amazing. Gives you the extra pop. And you are glowing, girl. Glowing. Here we go on the bottom. So I'm mailing toothpaste out and brushes out this week. I did a post last week that if you shared and commented on it, then you could get a free toothpaste. So those will be mailed out this week. I've got my envelopes in and they're ready to go. I'm so excited. Oh, we forgot blush. Let's go back with our Coral Cushion Blush. Never thought coral would be a color, but it works. So I'm going to just pick up a tiny bit on my cush because the color pigmentation in this is so awesome that it just takes a dab. And I'm just patting right at the apple of my cheek. And I'll do this side. And you'll be able to see little watercolor. Color by number. That's my husband told me the other day. It looks like you're like painting by number whenever you do your makeup. And I'm like, well, it kind of is. Then I'm going to go in with our highlighter cushion. Oh my gosh, you guys. This stuff is amazing. So you pop your top, take your little cush, and I'm just going to put a little bit of highlight on the places that the sun hits my face, or the light in this case. A little bit here, a little bit on my lips to give it a little bit of a, give you a little bit of a plumper lip. Just going back over. Okay. So can you see the difference in that highlight? Gives your face a little glow. Everybody loves a little bit of glow, and it doesn't have to be a huge amount. I know a lot of people that do like the entire top part of their face. I feel like that's maybe not age appropriate for me, but I love a little glow, okay? I love a little glow. All right, so today I'm going to be wearing my Devoted Lip Mattitude lipstick. This stuff goes on like a gloss and it dries like a matte. We have a doe foot applicator, and it's such a pretty color. Just kind of smudging it in a little bit. Okay, so we have all the makeup on. We have all the colors. The brows are done. The girls are here. The glow is here. What do you think? This is our finished product for this morning. So I hope that you take some of these tips today and you fight the fatigue in your life. Drink more water, move your body, turn technology off at night, get rest, and to fight fatigue. Be sure and share this video. Get some tips on fatigue or makeup, and you can shop for everything we use today on your avon.com/jwoolsey. And check that out. I'll pin it here in the comments. Thank you guys so much for watching today, and I hope you have a fantastic day. Bye, guys.